Micropore technologies enables the production of better medicines, better personal care and cosmetic products, more nutritious foods, and even more efficient methods of farming. In the past, you could have precisely sized particles, but only at low volumes with expensive microfluidic devices. Or you could have high production volumes, but with a very wide particle size distribution. Micropore's global award-winning new generation of membrane-based mixing and encapsulation technology is allowing manufacturers to produce precision microcapsules and microparticles at a particle size distribution only previously possible using low-throughput microfluidic techniques, and at volumes previously only achieved by high shear homogenization. Micropore's robust industrial-scale emulsification devices are revolutionizing products around the world, for example, enabling the production of less expensive drugs, requiring lower dosages, and which can be administered more comfortably, by creating safer cosmetics and more effective personal care products, by making food products with fewer additives and lower sugar and fat content. Using Micropore's many years of patented expertise and know-how, formulations can now be developed and reliably and economically produced at any scale, from initial lab experiments and formulation development through to manufacturing. From a few grams an hour to hundreds of kilograms per hour, all, if needed, under sterile conditions, with higher product yields, delivering up to 80% less wastage, reduced degradation of delicate ingredients, a reduction in the need for expensive processing additives, and all at up to 95% production energy savings in manufacture. We look forward to discussing your formulation challenges.